Hello! In today's tutorial, we'll begin the process of creating a custom VTubing application like the one you see here. This tutorial will cover importing your custom VRM model into Unity and setting up motion tracking. Let's begin. To begin the process of creating your custom VTubing application, you will need to install Unity Hub and the Unity editor of your choice. For this tutorial, I will be using Unity 2022 LTS, but you should be able to use 2021 LTS or newer. Start by clicking the New Project button and choosing 3D Built-in Render Pipeline if it is not already selected. You will then need to enter a project name and location and click Create Project. Once the Unity editor has opened with your new project, you will need to gather some required materials before you begin. The first thing you will need to download is UniVRM. This package will allow you to import your custom VRM into Unity. The link to the GitHub repository will be in the description below. Go to the releases and download the latest version available. At the time of this recording, that will be version 0.124.0. You will need to download both VRM 1.0 import and export and VRM 0.x import and export. Once downloaded, you will want to drag and drop the UniVRM Unity package into your asset browser. Click Import. Once that is complete, you will want to drop the VRM Unity package into the asset browser. Click Import. You should now see the VRM 0 and VRM 1 menus in your menu bar. Now locate and drag your custom VRM into your project. You should now have a prefab containing your VRM that you can drag and drop into the project hierarchy. At this point, you should be seeing your custom VRM model in the scene view. Now that your custom VRM is in Unity, you will need a way to control it. We will do this with the Easy Virtual Motion Capture for Unity package. The link to this package will be available in the description below. Go to Releases and download the most recent release. At the time of this recording, that will be version 5A. Once completed, drag the External Receiver Pack Unity package into your asset browser. This time, you will need to make sure to uncheck UniGTLF, VRM, VRM 1.0, and VRM shaders, as we have already included these in a previous step. Click Import. When the import completes, you should have an eVMC4U folder. Inside that should be an external receiver prefab. Drag and drop that into your scene hierarchy. With the external receiver selected, in the Inspector tab, locate the Model field. Drag the VRM avatar from your scene hierarchy into this field. You will also need to make note of the port for use in your motion tracking software. You are now ready to test your application with your motion tracking software. For this, I will be using Web Motion Capture. Make sure the port that is selected matches the port that you saw in the Inspector tab. You can now start motion tracking. Returning to Unity, press the play button. You should now see your model moving just the same as it does within your tracking software. This concludes this tutorial. From here, you can build a custom scene around your VRM to your own taste. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. Please like and follow if you would like to see this series continued. Also, leave a comment below about what you would like to see in the next tutorial. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.